I'm sorry that you can't see me, but if you like the dumb bathroom routine thing, vote for her.
Vote by December 30th.
And vote by December 30th. And remember to say that, remember to post that the bathroom routine is make sure to post a poop emoji. And thank you. If you like this video, subscribe, and December 30th, you'll see who wins. Bye. And remember to subscribe.